So suspended account in Worldcoin, can you restore it? So here is World app, and not quite often, but some users tried on Reddit that actually, yep, sometimes account can be suspended. Why does it happen? Well, some people, if you experiment and you kind of install or reinstall the app and you try to log in with different accounts and you try to log in a lot, like with same account on different phones, this app can create some kind of suspicion, and based on that they basically can try to suspend you. So I would first of all suggest you not to get in there, because the app is quite buggy, it's in development, there are a lot of glitches, and it's super hard to reach out to support. So as you can see, for example, I went to support, and I reached out to create a support ticket, and it takes like weeks. There is no real reply, only bot replies. So it can get quite complicated for you if if your account gets suspended. So I wouldn't recommend to get in there. So that's that. Yeah, of course you can just try to create like 10 support tickets, but maybe if you really have like a big account with a lot of grants, grants from back from 2023 and a lot of Worldcoin, maybe the better option is just to reach out to World orb operators. Just when you try to verify with orbs, there are like orb operators, just ask them. Maybe they just have some better channels to help you out, because if you just reach out with this support forum, is not gonna help. So you can also try to do that. But if you just had like 2-3 grants, then I wouldn't. Maybe it's just easier for you just create a new account whatsoever, and that's it. So yep, that's just what it is.